Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Peace be upon us all. Honorable to Mrs. Ervina Maulida. Today, our group is Group 9. We'll discuss the material on executive search. Before that, allow us to introduce ourselves and my friend. My name is Hasbullah Muhammad and my study ID number is 1770996 240 31. And my friend,
My name Gitale Febrianti and my ID number 17096240005.
And my name Jonathan Emmanuel Tiherna and my name ID number 17096240072. For the first, we have a warm up, and we have three questions in here. For first question, Ahmad, please give your answer. The question is, how did you find out about the vacancy for your current job? You can write your answer in the comment box. For the second question, Alia, please, you can write your answer in the comment box. The question is, how do you normally find out about job vacancies? And the third question, Aurelia, please give your answer. The question is, how does your company or organization recruit its employees? You can write your answer in the comment box. For the first, what is executive search? Executive search is a recruitment method for top management position. It focuses on finding and recommending talented people with advanced expertise and leadership skill. Unlike regular recruitment, agencies that introduce candidates for existing job seeker database, executive search finds candidates through various networks. Executive search consultant carefully select candidates based on a deep understanding of the hiring company and its needs, and then approach them. And here, this key advantage of executive search. The key advantage of executive search is can secure a commitment from top management talent. It means something that is difficult to do through regular recruitment activities. Mismatch in the recruitment of top management can have a major impact on a company future. Here, characteristic of executive search. An executive search process. And one, involve deep analysis of business needs. Second, define job title and compensation structure. On third, target passive candidate, does not actively job seeking. And fourth, requires a personal delicate and longer engagement process. Executive search process. One, understand business needs and define the role. And two, analyze the market and potential candidates. And three, discuss role structure and compensation strategy with the client. Four, engage hidden candidate through soft targeted approaches. 5. Ensure full alignment before recommending candidates.
Interviewer. So Henry, tell us something about your life. You live in Paris, don't you? Henry. Yes, I was born in France, but I studied, or was educated, in the USA. Henry. But after London, I moved to Paris to join Russell Reynolds Associates.
For this question, Ayu, please give your answer. Give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box.
Interviewer. So have you always worked in consultancy? Henry. Yes, just about. All my working life. But after London, I moved to Paris to join Russell Reynolds Associates. That was a long time ago, in 1979. Interviewer. 1979. And have you been in Paris the whole time? Henry. No, I went to the US for 10 years and then came back to Paris.
For this question, Cinta, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box.
Interviewer, an executive search consultant. What does that mean exactly? Is it recruitment? Henry. Yes, but it's not really recruitment. It's more than just finding someone to sign a contract. It's a consultancy role because we help companies to solve their specific problems. We help them to find the right people to meet very specific company needs. Really, the job is essentially about solving problems. It's a very strategic function.
For this question, Dania, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box.
Interviewer. Has the job changed much over time? Henry. Oh yes, it's changed a lot. In the last 10 years, it has become a job that is relationship driven. The key thing, the most important thing in my job, is to establish partnerships with the client, working together. You have to understand the needs of the client really well. In fact, we've been looking recently at how to improve this area of the interviewer. You obviously like the work? Henry. Very much so. I've been enjoying it very much recently, in fact. Executive search is a great job. I love it because every day it's always different. There's always something new from the client. This makes it really interesting.
For this question, Daphne, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box. For the next question, my friend, continue this question.
Okay, thank you, Jonathan, for interesting explanation. Now let's continue to the next part, everyone.
Henry. Yes, I was born in France, but I studied, or was educated, in the USA.
For this question, Della, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box. Thank you.
Henry, after that, I joined the U.S. Army, and actually I was a soldier in Vietnam.
For this question, Devi, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box. Thank you.
Henry, but after London, I moved to Paris to join Russell Reynolds Associates. That was a long time ago, in 1979.
For this question, Eka, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box.
Henry, yes, the various scandals had a big impact, and companies have changed a lot since Enron. There's now more focus on everyday management skills.
For this question, Felisa, please give your answer in comment box.
Henry, it's strategic vision that leads companies. Companies need people at the top with vision and leadership.
For this question, Fidelia, please give your answer. You can write your answer in the comment box. Thank you. All right. Next, the explanation will be continued by my friend.
Okay. The next matter is tenses. The first, past simple. In the past simple, we can use the past simple to talk about finished and completed action. And present perfect simple, we can use the present simple to report news, maybe which is finished past activities which result in the present. And present perfect continuous, we can use the present perfect continuous to focus on recent past activities over a period of time. They may or may not finish it. And the last four, signs and ago. Next slide. And this one is simple past. In here, use adverb of time. Uh, for example, yesterday, last night, last week, a few days ago, and week ago. For formula, uh, for verbal, formula is subject plus verb to plus object plus complement. For the example, the nurse went to the hospital yesterday. And nomina, for formula is subject plus to be is was or were plus complement. For the example, I was a teacher. Next slide. Okay, this is a present perfect simple. For the formula, verbal subject plus have or has plus verb three or uh, verb participle. For the example, I have eaten three times a day. For nomina, formula is subject plus have or has plus been plus complement. For the example, you have been a creative writer since 2018. Next slide. Present perfect continuous. For formula is subject plus has or have plus in plus been plus complement. For the example, Luna has been reading the novel. Next slide. This is for science or blue. We can use for with the past simple, the present perfect, and present perfect continuous to describe the length of an activity or a period of time. Example, I studied Chinese for a year, but it was very difficult. Science is often used with the present perfect simple or the present perfect continuous to describe a point in time. For the example, I have worked for the same organization since I left university. And ago is used with the simple past or the past continuous. It indicates finished action. For the example, Warren came to England 5 years ago. Next slide. Okay, this is next the example sentence 1 to 3 with the correct tense A to C. Maybe the first number, I've written the report for Casey. Please give your answer to the box answer. Number 2, I went to Italy 5 years ago on holiday. Please, Mahira, give your answer to box answer. Number 3, I have been looking for it for the last 3 hours. Mesa, please give your answer on the box comment. Next, this is the grammar. Complete the grammar below, which is the present perfect simple and which is the present perfect continuous. For the First number, we form the maybe Monica, you can write your answer in box of comment. And second number, Rio, you can write your answer on box of comment. Next slide. Complete the sentence with 4 signs for a goal. First number, we have light in USA. Yoga, you can write your answer on box of comment. Second number, Mutia, you can write your answer on box of comment. Third number, Naura, you can write your answer to the box of comment. Next slide. What is the difference between forest, science, and geo? Next. Yes, this word, you can use it with different terms to describe how long an activity lasts. Science, we can use it with the present perfect to indicate the starting point of a past activity which continues to now. Although we can use it with the past simple to say when something happening. Maybe next slide for my friend. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hasbila. Now we'll move on to the grammar practice section. Focus on the use of for, signs, and ago. For number one, Novita, please give your answer in comment box. Number two, Rafa Setiawan. And number three, Randi Hibra. Number four, Regita Anastasia. Number five, Saskia Maliha. Next, Christopher Gen text, verb correction, complete paragraph. Christopher Gen is one of the most well-known people in the business world today. He blah 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 enjoy a long career in business since he joined blah 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 joined NatWest Bank in 1967 as a management trainee. He blah 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 worked as a computer service manager for Schroders for 8 years. After that, he blah 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 a senior managing position at Barrick in 1979. He blah 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 moved to Vodafone in 1785 and blah 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 chief executive in 1997. At the time, BT blah 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 be on top of the FTSE 500 as a large company in the UK. However, since 1997 Vodafone blah 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 established itself as a leading mobile phone service provider. More recently, Vodafone blah 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 to expand its activities into the French mobile sector to compete in its European coverage. In addition, Vodafone blah 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 the network it hopes to finish soon and developing service for the next generation of mobile phones. For question number one, please give your answer in comment box. Number two, Farah, please give your answer in comment box. Number three is Sri Lestari. Please give your answer in comment box. Number 4, Shalsa. Please give your answer in comment box. Number 5, please Fitria, give your answer in comment box. Number 6, Yuditya, please give your answer in comment box. Number 7, please Ahmad, give your answer in comment box. Number 8, please Alia, give your answer in comment box. Number 7, please Aurel, give your answer in comment box. Number 10, please Ayu, give your answer in comment box. Okay, next. Use of for, signs, and a go. Complete the sentence. Christopher Gain has worked in business blah 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 over 25 years. For number 1, please Cinta, give your answer in comment box. Number 2, his career began more than decades blah 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 with NatWest Bank. Please Dania, give your answer in comment box. And number 3, he worked in banking blah 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 only for years. Please Daphne, give your answer in comment box. Number 4, he was CEO of Fodan blah 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 6 years. Please Della, give your answer in comment box. Number 5, a few years blah 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 Fodan bought its German rival Mansman. Please Devi, give your answer in comment box. For last question, the mobile phone sector has been experiencing many problems blah 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 the year 200, but Fodan remains a market leader. For Eka, please give your answer in comment box. Okay. The next is complete the question based on exercise 3. Exercise 3 is this. Okay, for number 2, please Felisa, give your answer in comment box. Number 3, Fidel, please give your answer in comment box. Number 4, Casey, please give your answer in comment box. Number 5, please Mahira, give your answer in comment box. And number 6, Mesa, please give your answer in comment box. Okay, all right, that's all for me. Next, the explanation will be continued.
Okay, that's all the material from us. Thank you, and sorry if there are any mistake from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.